Where on earth did Kiki go at an important time like this? Let's go back to the scene of the crime.
By chance, was it you guys?
It was either the ground or the sky. We were thinking too narrowly, you guys.
There might be some big animals that live on top of trees here.
On top of trees? Okay, let's scatter some more snacks around here as bait, and then keep an eye on the trees.
Put some here and put some more here. Oh, and here. Oh, what a waste of good snacks.
Hurry and hide, Baba. We'll hide out here and see if the culprits fall for the bait.
Hey, there's activity!
Where are the snacks? I found one!
Hey, that's Kiki.
Kiki, what are you doing going off on your own?
Captain, I found them! The culprits that ate the snacks!
First you get in the way of our cases, and now you're stealing our snacks.
Well, it wasn't me!
Kiki, you were eating bananas before and now you're stealing snacks.
Rabby.
It wasn't me! You're a meanie!
Fess up. You're the ones that stole Baba's snacks, aren't you?
They were on the ground, so we ate them. Finders keepers.
But that guy that looked like us, he didn't eat the snacks.
He didn't? Did we wrongly accuse Kiki?
Rabby!
Let's go look for Kiki. Hurry!
Rabby!
Finally, it's our last mystery. Are you ready, guys? Now the mystery is solved! The culprits that ate Baba's snacks were monkeys. Monkeys use their 5 fingers and long tail to move freely on top of trees. Led by the strongest in the group, monkey families depend on one another and live together in the jungle. The mystery is solved!